To navigate life successfully, you need to be very observant, strategic, patient, and sometimes take calculated risk. Just like a hunter needs to track its food, get to know and understand the environment. There is a lot of waiting, and it requires a lot of patience. To succeed in harvesting the desired meat for the winter, you need to hone your ability, like tracking and centering the mind and the heart, to release confidence and certainty of the bow and arrow. Harvesting meat can present difficult and challenging situations, mirroring the obstacles and setbacks that we encounter in life that needs to be overcome. Thank you for watching. May tomorrow be in our favor.